do a quick tutorial for the Bretford Powersync station for the 20 iPads, how to change out the connectors. And I will include a link to the manual that I got. First, this piece right here has screws that are, there's 4 screws, which I've already taken out, but you can see right there, that's where one of them, 2, 3, and 4. So you take those out, and then this just pops out. And then you can see, you can just remove them. The screw sizes are one of 2. This one, the number 2, or the 5/64. Mine is the number 2. And that's the screw. And you can buy right-angled chargers on Amazon for a lot cheaper.